Right in the heart of Montauk sits a historic castle on a hill, offering guests a unique and memorable getaway. The Montauk Manor is a 10,000-acre property and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean and Block Island Sound.
Montauk Manor has 140 different condominiums, anywhere from studios to 3 bedrooms. We cater special events out on our west lawn, which is gorgeous with the sunset, and we do anywhere from 150 to 200 people. We offer many activities for families as well as individuals. We drive you to town. Once you get here, you park, and it's on us.
They've got an indoor and outdoor pool, a day spa, meeting and wedding spaces, an exercise room, and state-of-the-art tennis courts. And of course, the famous restaurant Monty's at the Manor is a favorite.
It's the kind of place where you can come and feel at home, you know, kind of like Cheers, where everybody knows your name. And we want you to come. We want you to come often. We want to give you great Italian food, Napolitan style, just like my grandparents and my mother and father and everybody always cooked. And we want to give you big portions for a fair price and make sure that you have a great experience.
At Montauk Manor, you truly feel like you're transported back to the luxurious times of the 1920s while still enjoying modern-day amenities. Reservations can be made on their website, as well as dinner reservations at Monty's. For Discover Long Island, I'm Brianna McEnroe.